Today we are going to look at two circle theorems. The first one says the angle subtended at the center is twice the angle subtended at the circumference. In our diagram here, we have the points A and B, so we have the arc minor arc AB, and the angle subtended from the arc AB would be the angle BOA, which is this angle here. So we are going to measure that angle first of all to see if this theorem holds true. No, we don't want that angle. So that measures 120 degrees and 26, I think, minutes. Now let us measure the angles subtended at the circumference. From AB would be the angle at C and this angle at D. So let us check out those two angles to see if that's true. That angle is 60-13, which incidentally is half the angle at O. 60-13. So we have two angles subtended by the same chord at the circumference, and both of them are equal to half the angle subtended at the center. So based on our diagram and calculation, this theorem holds true that the angle subtended at the center is twice the angle subtended at the circumference. Now of note, all these angles must come from the 2 points on the same 2 points on the arc. Okay, let us look at the second one. The angle subtended by the same arc in the same segment are equal. The angles subtended by the same arc in the same segment are equal. Now, just looking at the diagram here, we have the arc AB again, and there are two angles subtended on the circumference in that same segment, which are C and D. And we have found them to be equal. But let us look at another situation to solidify that theorem. Now let us look at the arc CD. There are two angles which are subtended from arc CD. The angle CAD and the angle DBC. Now we are going to measure those two angles to see if that is true. If it holds true. Oh, no, we don't want that angle. That's a reflex angle. So that angle is 29 degrees 8 minutes. That's the angle at A. I'm going to measure the other angle now. Same thing. That's a reflex angle. Let's measure it the other way. And it gives us 29 degrees 8 minutes. So that shows that once the angles are coming from the same arc, or if you draw a line here, the chord, it would make a difference. Same arc or the same chord, and they are in the same segment, they are equal. So to recap the two theorems which we have gone through, the angle subtended at the center is twice the angle subtended at the circumference. And also the angle subtended by the same arc and they are in the same segment are equal. Thanks for watching.